All right, so when we're talking about moving these ice vents around, we've got a lot of different options on where we can put them. You can use these in different rigs pretty easily. Like I showed installing on this, we can get in here and just disconnect it and throw this on my everyday rig. This one has a little bit of a unique way that this attaches. The front and back panel will overlap each other, but it also has this hook Velcro side that will keep everything together. So we can get up under here. I try to align the back side here so that I've at least got the vents in the same place. All right, and then go with the curve of my shoulder so that it's working with me as opposed to against me. And if we want to get in here and put the pontoons on it, which I think I'm going to give this a big old try. I haven't had this vest for very long, so I find that this is really the only place where I tend to get sweaty. Everything else ventilates pretty well. So can take these guys and again put them in the areas where I know I'm going to have contact with my body, and we're going to use it to our advantage. Now create a little bit more space, and same thing on the back. Now when I throw that guy on, it's going to sit right here on my chest, so at the end of the day, when I've got these contact points or whatever it is, it's just going to be a little bit more settled in, especially with the inner cummerbund, which is going to hold all of this tight down. I'm going to pull my back panel in so that I'm completely wrapped around in the right place. And then I come in with my first spear again. Get this guy locked in. Now I've got these pontoons just in the right place where it's sitting on my front and on my back, right on my shoulder blades, right in the middle. So everywhere I have contact with the vest, shoulders, front, back, all padded with ice vents, which is going to be excellent for load distribution as well as heat management.